Hi, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to use Remove.bg to take the background out of any image. So one of the things that I keep seeing people asking about is choir risers and finding ones that would work for a Bitmoji classroom. And as you can see over here on the right, I have found an image of choir risers that I like and have saved it to my desktop. So from here, I go to remove.bg, and all I have to do is drop the image in, and you can see it works for me and it takes the background out, and this is all I have to do. So I download it, and as soon as that is downloaded, I can go back to my classroom, and I'm going to put it in this little room right here. And I'm just going to drag and drop them in, and you can see now that the background has been taken out for me. And that looks like it's sitting on the wall, so I want to move that. And I'm actually going to put a shadow behind it. So now there's a little shadow, and you can see it looks a little bit more like it's really sitting in the room. Oh, sorry. And it looks pretty realistic for the space. So I hope this is helpful, and thanks for watching.